Hi, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to continue the same lesson which you have started in the previous class from your math textbook part 1, that is subtraction, right? So, open page number 25. So, children, here it is there, page number 25, unit 3, that is subtraction, right? So, in this lesson, already we have started it, subtract the 5-digit number from the another 5-digit number or another 4-digit number without borrowing. We have done in the previous class, right? We have taken the example from the exercise part, right? That is exercise 3.1, which is there in page number 34, and we have done the first one, find the difference of the following without borrowing, right? So today we are going to start with the second main, that is find the difference of the following. Here we are going to do with the borrowing. Okay, so I'll show you how we have to do the with borrowing. Already you have done in the 4th standard, but by using a 4-digit number. So here we are going to do it with the same method will be applied, but with the 5-digit number. Okay, but here you can see if the 4th and 5th one, here we are having 5 digit, and here it is a 4 digit. Okay, so later I will tell you. First we'll take the first example, that is 42,695 minus 20,746. Okay, let's take this example. So here it is there, 42,695 minus 20,746. So here we are having the 5 digit numbers. First we have to write this one, later we have to write this one, because we have to minus this number from this one, right? So let's write this number here, 42,695. So this 5, it is in the unit place, 9 it is in the 10 place, 6 it is in the 100 place, then 2 it is in the 1000 place, and 4 it is in the 10,000 place. In the same way we have to write this number in the place value chart. Okay, 6 it is unit place, 4 it is in a 10 place, 7 it is in a 100 place, 0 it is in a 1000 place, and 2 it is in a 10,000 place, right? So let's subtract it. So we always have to start subtraction from the unit place, from the right side, right? So here 5 minus 6, is it possible to minus 6 from 5? Suppose you are having a 5 chocolates. Okay, if I'm asking you to give me the 6 chocolate, is it possible you to give me the 6? Because you are having only 5 chocolates, right? So in this case, what you are going to do? You are going to borrow one from your friend, right? So here, so this is your friend. You have to take, you have to borrow from the next place here. Okay, you have to borrow the another number from the next place. So after unit we are having a 10, so you have to borrow from 10 only. You're not supposed to go to the 100 directly. Okay, in which case you have to go, later I will tell you. Okay, so here first unit, see, if you go to the 10th place, here 9 is there, right? So he can give you a 1. So if he is able to give you the 1, why should go to the next place, right? So if he is giving 1 to you, okay, you have to take 1 from 10 place, so it will become what? 8, and this will become 15. Okay, now 15 minus, is it possible to subtract 6 from 15? Yes. Now you are having 15 chocolates, you can give me the 6 easily, right? So now 15 minus 6 is how much? 15 minus 6 is, that is 15 minus 6 is 9, right? Yes. Yes. So now come to the 10th place, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, isn't it? Now 100, 6 minus 7. So 6 minus 7. Now here also you can see we cannot subtract 7 from 6 because 6 is smaller than the 7. Now in this case, what you have to do? You have to borrow one from the next place. So after 100, which place we are having? We are having a 1000 place. So you have to take one from this 1000. So here you have 2 are there. So it is, you can easily able to take one from this, right? So suppose if you are taking one from here, so it will become 1. You have to minus 1 from it. You have to minus 1 from this number. So 2 become 1, and here this become 16, right? So now 16, now this will become 16, right? So 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is how much? 16 minus 7 is, it is 9 again, right? Yes. Now 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 2. You can easily subtract 2 from 4, right? So 4 minus 2 is 2. So let's put the comma where? After 100. So here, so what is our answer? 21,949 is our answer. Okay, so without place value chart also you can do the same method. Just you need to write the numbers directly. Okay, that's it. So let's do it one. I will tell you, 42,695 minus 20,746. Okay, let's subtract it. 5 minus 6, is it possible? No, you have to borrow 1 from the next place. So from the 9, so 9 will become 8 and this will become 15. Now 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 7, is it possible? No. Then what you have to do? You have to borrow 1 from the next place. So this will become 1 and this will become 16. Now 16 minus 7 is how much? It is again 9, right? So now 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. So let's put the comma. So what is our answer? 21,949 is our answer. Got it, children? Yes. Now let's move to the next example. So children, here it is there, the second one, 50,625 minus 36,178. So let's do it. Here I have written the same example, you can see, right? 50,625 minus 36,178. Okay, so let's do it first. What we have to do, you have to write these numbers in the place value chart. First, which number we have to write? The first one, later this one, okay, because we have to subtract this from this, so we have to write this number first. So let's write it. So 5 it is in a unit place, 2 it is in a 10 place, 6 it is in a 100 place, 0 it is in a 1000 place, and 5 it is in a 10,000 place. In the same way, this number 8 7 1 6 3, right? So now let's subtract it. 5 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract 8 from 5? No. What we have to do in this case? We have to borrow 1 from the next place, that is from the 10 place. So if you are borrowing means this is become 1 and this will become what? It will become 15, right? So 15 minus 8. So what is 15 minus 8? 15 minus 8 is 7, right? Yes. Next. 1 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract 7 from 1? No. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from the next place, that is to the 100 place. So this will become what? 5 and this will become 11, right? So 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4, right? Next, 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, and one more thing, if you are borrowing means you have to subtract 1 from this number. Okay, when we are calculating again, when we come to the particular place, that is just here in 100 place, you are not supposed to take the 6 minus 1 because already we have taken 1 from this. When we have borrowed, already we have borrowed 1 from this one, right? So it become 5. So 5 plus 1 is 4. Next, 0 plus 6. Is it possible to subtract 6 from 0? No. Then what you have to do in this case? You have to borrow 1 from the 10 place. So this is become 4 and this will become what? 10, right? So 10 minus 6 is 4, right? Next, 4 minus 3 is 1. So let's put the comma. 14,447 is your answer. Got it, children? Okay, you can do it without placing the place value chart. Directly you can write 50,625 minus 36,178. So 5 minus 8. Is it possible? No, you have to borrow 1 from this place. So this will become what? 1, right? And this will become 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 1 minus 7. No, again you have to borrow 1 from this place. So this has become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Next, 5 minus 1 is 4. You no need to borrow because you can easily subtract 1 from 5, right? Next, 0 minus 6. Is it possible? No, you have to borrow 1 from this place. So this has become 4 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Next, 4 minus 3 is 1. So let's put the comma. 14,447 is your answer. Got it? Okay. Now let's move to the third one. Next, this is what we have done the second one. Now come to the third one. 40,000 minus 16,543. Okay. So 40,000 minus 16,543. Okay, children. So let's do it. So yes, children, here I have written that 40,000 and minus 16,543, right? Okay, let's put in the place value chart. First 40,000. 40,000 will write here. Next 16,543. So 3 it is in a unit place. Then 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, so let's subtract it. 0 minus 3. Is it possible to subtract 3 from 0? No. So what you have to do in this case? You have to borrow 1 from this place, isn't it? So here you have to borrow 1 from this place. So here 0 is there. Is it possible to take one number from a 0? No, because here there is nothing is there. Then again, just I will give an example. Okay, just see that I'm asking you 3 pencils to give me. You're not having any of the pencil. You're going to ask from your friend. Okay, then if your friend is also not having, then you go to the another friend. If he's also not having, you'll go to the another friend. If it is also not having, you will go to the another friend. Okay, so see here it is there. He can give you, right? So you have to borrow from it. You're not supposed to take it directly. You have to go one by one. How? I will show you. So here 0 is there, 3 is there. So you have to borrow one from this place. So here nothing is there means again you have to go to the next one. Again here nothing is there means you have to go to the this one. Again nothing is there means you have to go to the this one. So here you have to take one. If you are taking one means this has become 3, right? So right here it will become 3 and this will become what? 10. Okay, now 10 is there because we want we need to borrow 1 to the unit place, right? First you have to solve from the unit place. So suppose you are taking 1 from this place means, so this has become 9 and this will become 10. Again if you are borrowing 1 from this place means this has become 9 and this will become 10. Again you are borrowing from this place means this has become 9 and this will become 10, right? So this will become 10. Now is it possible you to subtract 3 from 10? Yes, you can easily, right? So 10 minus 3 is how much? It is 7. Now already we have borrowed from this one, so you're not supposed to take 10 minus 4. Okay, you have to take the 9. 9 minus 4 is how much? It is 5. 9 minus 5 is, it is 4. 9 minus 6 is, it is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, right? Let's put the comma. So 23,457 is your answer. Got it, children? Yes. So here I'm not going to show how to do it directly. You can do it by yourself. You just need to place the exact number one below the another. That is all. Okay, nothing any other method is there for that. The same method you have to apply without place value chart. That's it. Okay. So children, here I have done it. You can go through it. Okay. Yes. Now let's move to the next example. So here it is there. The fourth one. 25,307 minus 6,419. If you see here we are having a 5-digit number and here there are a 4-digit number. Now you have to subtract the 4-digit number from 5-digit number. Got it? Okay, let's do it here. So here I have written, you can see, right? So 25,307 minus 6,419, isn't it? Okay, so here let's do it here. First we'll put this numbers in the place value chart. 25,307, that is 7, 0, 3, 5, then 2. The same way 9, 1 it is in a 10 place, 4 it is in a 100 place, 6 it is in the 1000 place. Here we are not having any number. Okay, so you have to leave it as it is. Don't add anything here. So now let's do it. 7 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 9 from 7? No, you have to borrow 1 from this place, right? So here, if you see here nothing is there, right? You can't take anything. If it is a 0, you can't borrow. Next, what you have to do? You have to go to the next place, that is the 100 place. Here, from here you can easily borrow because 3 is there. There is a no 0. So if you are borrowing 1 from this place, so this has become 2 and this will become 10. Again, you are borrowing from this place, then this will become 9, right? So this will become what? It will become 17. So 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. Next, 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 minus 4. Is it possible to subtract 4 from 2? No, you have to borrow 1 from this place. So if you are borrowing means this will become 4 and this will become 12. Now 12 minus 4 is how much? 12 minus 4 is again 8. Right? Now 4 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract 6 from 4? No, you have to borrow 1 from this place. So this will become 1 and this will become what? This will become 3. Right? Sorry, this will become 14. So 14 minus 6, because you are borrowing, right? So this has become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now just come to this place. Here we are not having anything, means we have to consider it as a 0. You have to consider this place as a 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So now let's put the comma. 18,888 is your answer. Got it, children? Okay, you can write it without writing the place value check directly. Okay, now let's move to the last one. So here I have done it without place value check. You can refer it, children. Okay. Now the fifth and the last one from the second main, that is 20,000 minus 8,625. Again we are having 4-digit and the 5-digit number. You have to subtract 4-digit number from the 5-digit number, isn't it? So let's do it. So children, as always, what you are going to do here, you just pause the video, try to solve it by yourself. Okay. Then you have to continue the video. Just check your answer with my answer. Then you come to know. Okay. So let's do it. So children, hope you have done it. Yes, you can see here. So what is your answer? 11,375 is your answer. If you have done it correctly, very good. If you are not, it's okay. Just try to solve once again, okay, by taking some other example, then you can come to know. Okay children. So students, in today's class, we have learned find the difference of the following, the subtraction with borrowing, right? So in next class, we are going to subtract, that is third main. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself, be with me. And if you think this video is really useful to you, then don't forget to share with your friends. Like it, share it, and then subscribe my channel for the more videos. Okay, and whatever the class we have done, I mean the first main, there we have solved the first main. We'll get that video link in my description box. Just go and check it out children. Okay, so bye bye.